Now, I will explain the ideal conditions for optimum performance, maintenance, and troubleshootings of ice flaker. 1. The instrument should have a stable power supply. A voltage stabilizer of 2 kV amperes or 4 kV amperes should be used. 2. The ice flaker should be unplugged and kept in a vertical position for at least 2 hours before installation to allow the oil to settle in the compressor. 3. The water supply to the ice flaker should be clean and dust-free. Filtered water is recommended. 4. The ice flaker should be kept under shade. 5. The water temperature should be as low as possible, preferably 25 degrees Celsius or below, for better results. 6. The room temperature should also be 25 degrees Celsius or below. 7. The ice flaker should be kept in an airy space with a minimum of 2 feet gap on all sides. 8. If the machine does not make ice after switching it on, check the water supply. Check the water supply pressure. Check if the gas is properly filled in the compressor. Check the gas pipe. 9. Ensure the piston screw is properly set, located at the back side of the ice flaker. 10. The water supply to the ice flaker should be continuous. 11. Check the fan blades, sometimes they get stuck during transit. 12. The water pressure of the water supply pipe should be between 1.5 and 3 bar. 13. Ensure the ice flaker is positioned levelly and away from heat sources. 14. Keep the door of the ice bin closed to prevent the ice from melting. 15. If the machine is not used for a long time, drain the water from the cistern by removing the cap on the rear panel to avoid contamination and water blockage. 16. Use a vacuum cleaner periodically to clean dust and dirt from the coils on the back and both side ventilation windows. 17. Refrigerant gas R290A should be filled as needed. Thank you.